Pauline and welcome again to my channel. Today, we are going on a road trip to Orange County. That's in Southern California. And I'm really excited kasi it's gonna be my first time. Although, nung dumating ako dito, ang point of entry ko ay sa LA, pero that's just 3-4 hours sa airport. Anyway, we will be staying with Jap's friend, sila John and Sheena. Gabi na kami makakarating mamaya sa kanila kasi 6 to 7 hours yung drive. But tomorrow, we will be going to Laguna Beach. For now, let's go on a road trip.
I'm Pedro Basura Man. I live in the garbage can. I went to my auntie and punit her panty. I'm Pedro Basura Man.
This actually isn't our first interstate road trip together. 2 months ago, we drove 16 hours all the way to Texas, although we split it into 2 days. While editing this vlog, I suddenly remembered another video I took 6 years ago. It's also us on a road trip back in the Philippines. Back then, I was just randomly filming, trying to make a vlog without really knowing what I was doing. We spent 6 years together in a long distance, praying for days like this, and now somehow we're here. Driving together, traveling together, living the life we used to only talk about through screens and calls. Sometimes I have to pause for a second and really ground myself in the moment. When I think about how far we've come, it almost doesn't feel real. And this is why I keep filming everything. I'm excited for the future us. Looking back on all of this, I am really happy here and really grateful we made it this far. And honestly, I'm just excited for whatever comes next. How's it? Magtatatlong buwan na ako dito and this is my first In-N-Out. Ang daming In-N-Out sa Arizona. Pero we had to try it dito. Ba't iba yung sarap ng lettuce?
31 player, 31.
Nilagyan ng grilled chili. Ba't parang wala akong nakakagat ng grilled chili ah?
Baka hindi siya grill. Feeling ko chili lang. Hindi nilagyan niya grill. Kasi feeling ko ito lang din yun eh.
Ayun, nakita ko na.
Ganyan nga niya.
Ang anghang. Ang sarap. I love it. Sarap.
Ay, body pag-split dito.
And I pray to God it is you. And where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness and but I stayed up with you all night. And I know how to save a life.
Hi guys, good afternoon. It's already 12 ng tanghali. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog gaano kagabi. Mga anong oras nga tayo nakarating? So mga 7-8 p.m. na kaming nakarating kagabi kina John. And then bumili sila ng mga Filipino foods which I was so excited kasi nag-crave talaga ako ng dinuguan. Balak namin magluto the next week na yun yung meal prep namin.
Thank you kay John Gerald Alex Portuguese bar doon
Mhm.
sa dinner.
Yeah, thank you. Nakakatuwa dito kasi yung mga dinadaanan namin so far, sabi ko nga kay Jap, sobrang feeling nasa Amerika. Kasi maraming greens, tapos 'di ba sa Arizona, marami ding bundok, pero hindi ganoon kadami yung greens. Pero dito, mas madaming palm trees, mga puno na kulay green pa na hindi pa patay. Yeah, so papunta na kami sa Laguna Beach. Ang weather pala ngayon ay 67 degrees, which I think is around 19? Yeah, 19.44 degrees Celsius. Maaraw naman, kaya hopefully hindi ganun maginaw. Nag-assume kami na hindi rin kami makakaswimming kasi nga baka malamig. So wala kaming dalang pangligo. Mag-beach stroll lang tayo. And magka-cafe din. Hanap tayo ng goods na cafe doon. So, yeah. Let's go. Nakahanap na kami ng pay parking. Eh, nagpa-park lang si Labs. Tapos, pupunta na tayo sa una nating stop. Ang sarap ng araw, tas malamig lang yung hangin. Nakaka-glowy din ang skin. Kahit matuyo na to, parang glossy yung finish niya. This is the beach defense from Neutrogena. So, kakanan tayo dito.
Ano kaya to bahay?
Baka in. Joke. So nice. Malamig Labs na. We are walking from dun sa una naming inistapan kanina. So naglalakad kami. This is about a 16-17 minute walk. Dun sa Heisler Park naman kami pupunta. And as we were walking, sabi ko kay Lavsy, parang La Union. Kasi merong main road doon sa taas, doon sa nilalakaran namin kanina. Diba, isang mahabang stretch ng beach. Tapos sa sides, bago mag beachfront, may mga hotel, mga inn, tapos mga kainan, ganun. So, nice car. And yeah, ang sarap maglakad kasi tingnan mo, ang init. Medyo masakit sa balat yung tama ng araw, pero ang lamig. Ang sarap maglakad. I think we are close kasi parang yan yung nakikita kayo mga grill. So nice. Ang ganda dito, sisters. Sarap makinig lang ng alon. Okay, we are driving papunta sa cafe naman. And katulad ng sinasabi namin kanina, ayan nga siya, isang mahaba na puro pwedeng kainan, mga shop, mga inns or motels. Tapos, pag dediretso ka pa na pag ganun, sa pababa, beach na ulit. Another pay parking. Magkano yung kanina, Labs? 4? Ah, okay. We paid $4 for 1.5 hour of street parking. And we're paying ulit. Kasi parang almost 40 minutes na lakad kung lalakarin namin. Ah, sige. Just paying the park. Just paying the street parking. Let's go. Oh, I think it's this one. Hala. Okay, we are here now by Jersey Mike's Sub. And familiar to sa Lalab dyan ako kasi first time kong matatry. Wala kasi kami nagustuhan na pastry or food dito sa Wild Strawberry Cafe. Pero ang sarap ng matcha. I like it. Medyo in-underestimate ko din yung strawberry niya. Kasi hindi siya mukhang puree kanina. Pero ngayon, nung nalasahan ko, mukha naman siyang strawberry puree. So, I love it. At mas mura siya doon sa pinupuntahan naming parang matcha cafe back in Arizona. Nung kasama ko pa si Ate Dayan, my sister-in-law. Parang twice kami nag-matcha doon sa Brucha. Tapos almost $8 yung ganito kalaki. Yeah. And this one is $6 and a few cents. And considering na dito yun sa California. Laban na sabi mo about Jersey Mike's? Ayan yung before. Labang sarap. Mas mura siya sa Brucha. Almost $8 yung Brucha. Ganito na yung lasa. No? Hati sa hagit na. Sarap.
Update ka lang din to check ko lang
Yung
extent ng ano,
oh yeah, sige.
damage.
Ilalabas mo na?
Ha?
Ilalabas mo na?
Yung
I'm recording.
tagal pala na part sa ilalim, nilagay nila dyan. Yun yung
Oh
nahulog kanina.
shoot! Nasa ilalim.
Pero nilagay nila dito.
Oh no. Okay. So, pagbalik namin sa sasakyan kanina, merong nag-iwan ng note sa harap sa sasakyan ni Labsy. Ayan. Sabi niya, hit your mirror. You can contact me at, ayun, nandito kami ngayon sa Irvine Mall, if I'm not mistaken. Magdi-Din Tai Fung daw kami, kasama yung mga friends ni Labsy. That will be the last activity for today. Kasi medyo masakit din yung ulo ko. Kulang-kulang sa tulog. So, we will be having dinner and babalik na sa place nila John. That's it for today. Hi! We are waiting sa pina-reserve nila na table ngayon. Nagpa-reserve na sila kanina. After lunch, nandito na sila. Tapos nagpa-reserve sila for dinner. And it's currently 5:21 p.m. Si Lala bumalik ng sasakyan kasi gusto niya nang i-review yung sa dashcam niya kung paano natamaan yung side mirror. And also, it's getting colder. At makita nyo naman yung suot ko, diba? Look at my likod. Yeah. So, nagpakuha din ako ng... Actually, nagdala naman talaga ako ng jacket. Just in case na sobrang lamig sa beach. Pero kaya naman siya kanina since sobrang tirik din ng araw. Pero ngayon, mas lumalamig. Ang weather ngayon ay... 73 naman na. Anyway, nagpakuha ako ng jacket kay Labsy. Alam mo, hanggang before ako mag-film, like right now, Ang sarap tumunga nga lang dito, ang lamig-lamig, tapos daming tao, people watch lang, ganyan. Also, papakita ko sa inyo yung view ko ngayon. Ayan, so merong carousel dyan, tapos ang daming palm trees. Oh, nandyan yung, ayan yung camera. Nasa stroller. Ayan, nilagay ko muna dyan, tapos this is what I'm looking at. Tapos sa likod, kung nakikita nyo naman, maraming tao. So, yeah, naghintay na lang kami ng Din Tai Fung dinner. And that's it.
My skin likes your skin. Your scent draws me in. Hope you'll leave some behind whenever you go. Your hand seeks my hand. No, you'll leave me a mess, but I hope for the best. Don't know
Good morning, guys. It is our 4th and last day dito sa California. Good morning, Labs. Gising ka na din? Okay ka na? Another day, another kulang na tulog. But yesterday, I decided not to vlog na din. But we had a lot of Filipino friends come over, mga friends and workmates nila dyan. But yeah, sabi nila, sobrang dami nga daw Filipino dito sa Orange County. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you did enjoy as much as we did. Yeah, I think mag-fix na kami ng gamit, magbe-breakfast, and kailangan na din namin bumiyahe. Actually, gusto ko sanang lumabas at mag-swimming kasi ang ganda ng pool area nila dito. But it is cold and also kulang na sa energy, but that's okay. More reason to come back. Sabi naman nila dyan, balik lang kami anytime. And yeah, again, kung umabot ka po sa part na to ng video, thank you so much for watching and we will see you again on the next vlog. Bye-bye!